Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to join two granny squares together in two different ways. The first way would be through slip stitch, and in the second way is quite simple. We'll be using a yarn and a needle to join the granny square. So let's begin. The materials that we need to join the granny squares are any color 4-ply cotton yarn as needed, a 2.5 mm crochet hook, tapestry needle, 2 stitch markers and scissors. So let's begin. Now in the first method, we'll be joining these two granny squares using slip stitch. So for that, place the right side of your granny squares in this way and we'll be working on the wrong side. First we'll be pinning up the two corners together. So going in the corner stitch, put a marker. Again going into the corner stitch of this side. Put one marker. Make a slip knot. Now insert your hook into the first marked corner and remove the marker. Work one chain. Now moving into the next stitch, going to the stitch of the granny square on this side as well as the stitch of the granny square on the other side, make a slip stitch. So we'll be simultaneously working to both these stitches and making a slip stitch. So just continue with this till you reach the next marker. Work a final slip stitch into the marked stitch. Remove the marker. So here I have worked the slip stitch on the wrong side and from the right side the two granny squares will be joined in this way. So this is one of the methods. Now for the second method of joining the granny square using a yarn and a needle, first we will be placing the two granny squares facing the right side towards us. Again, as I done earlier, we will be just pinning up the two corners together. Insert your needle into the first corner stitch where you have put a marker. Remove the marker. Put a knot. Now going to the back loop of the stitch on this side and front loop of the stitch on the other side, just join them together. So just continue working like this till you reach the next marker. Now remove the marker from the second corner and go into the stitches. So in this way we have joined the two granny squares together. So you can use either the method of slip stitch or the method of yarn and needle, whichever is easier and comfortable to you in order to join this granny square. So I hope you found this tutorial really very useful. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.